Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into one of the most heartwarming royal events of the year, the wedding of Peter Phillips and Harriet Sperling. This union brings together two grounded, accomplished people in a beautiful, intimate celebration that feels both deeply personal and quietly significant for the royal family. Peter Phillips, at 48, is the only son of Princess Anne and the late Captain Mark Phillips. As the eldest grandchild of the late Queen Elizabeth II, he has always held a special place in the family tree. Peter is not a working royal and has built a successful career in business and sports management, often staying out of the spotlight while remaining close to his family. He shares two wonderful daughters, Savannah and Isla, from his previous marriage to Autumn Kelly, which ended in divorce in 2021. Those daughters played a lovely role in this new chapter. Harriet Sperling, 45, is a dedicated pediatric NHS nurse and a writer. She brings her own warmth and strength to the story. Harriet is the daughter of the late Rupert Sanders and Mary Sanders from Gloucestershire. She has a teenage daughter, Georgina, from a previous relationship. The couple reportedly met through connections involving their children at a sporting event, which feels wonderfully natural for two families coming together. Their love story moved steadily. They made their public debut as a couple in May 2024 at the Badminton Horse Trials. Just over a year later, in August 2025, they announced their engagement, delighting royal watchers who appreciated their low-key, genuine connection. Harriet even joined Peter for key family moments, including Easter Sunday with the royals and events like Royal Ascot. The wedding took place on Saturday, June 6, 2026, at All Saints Church in Kemble, in the picturesque Cotswolds region of Gloucestershire. This charming village church holds special meaning. It's close to where Harriet grew up. The ceremony was described as private and intimate, yet it drew senior members of the royal family, reflecting the close bonds within the family. Despite persistent rain throughout the day, the spirits remained high. Guests gathered at the church where Peter and Harriet said their vows in front of loved ones. The bride looked elegant in a gown designed by Amelia Wickstead, paired with Jimmy Choo shoes, beautiful Pragnell earrings and a Pragnell family tiara. She arrived in style, supported by her bridesmaids, including Peter's daughters Savannah and Isla, and her own daughter Georgina. What a touching way to blend their families right from the start. Peter was supported by his longtime childhood friend from Gloucestershire as best man. The couple shared a joyful kiss outside the church after the ceremony, posing for photographs even as the rain fell. It was a moment that captured pure happiness and resilience, love shining through the weather. Among the notable guests were King Charles and Queen Camilla, along with the Prince and Princess of Wales. Princess Kate turned heads in a flowing cream Roland Mouret dress, accessorized with a pearl bracelet that once belonged to Princess Diana. Princess Anne, of course, was there to celebrate her son, joined by Peter's sister Zara Tyndall. The gathering emphasized family unity and support during this new beginning. The reception was hosted by Princess Anne at her Gatcombe Park estate, just a short drive from the church. Planning was handled thoughtfully by Peregrine Armstrong-Jones of Bentley's Entertainment, who has worked with Peter before. It was a day curated with care, focusing on close family and meaningful connections rather than grand spectacle. Peter becomes the first of Queen Elizabeth's grandchildren to remarry, marking a modern chapter for the family. Both Peter and Harriet entering this marriage as a second chapter for each brings an extra layer of maturity and appreciation to their partnership. Friends describe them as a grounded, supportive couple who complement each other beautifully, Peter with his steady presence and Harriet with her caring profession and creative side. Prince Harry was not invited to the event amid ongoing family distances, but reports say he sent a wedding gift to his cousin. It's a reminder that even in complex times, gestures of goodwill can exist. The focus, however, stayed firmly on the joy of the day for Peter and Harriet. This wedding highlights how the royal family continues to evolve while cherishing its roots. Peter, as the eldest grandchild, has always represented a more private side of royal life, balancing public heritage with personal independence. Harriet, with her NHS role and commitment to family, brings a refreshing, down-to-earth energy that many admire. As they step into married life, blending their children into one blended family, it's clear this is a union built on shared values, love for family, resilience, and quiet strength. The rain couldn't dampen the celebrations, and the smiles on everyone's faces told the real story. Congratulations to Peter and Harriet on this beautiful new beginning. May their journey together be filled with the same warmth and joy they shared on their wedding day. What do you think of this lovely royal wedding? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this update, hit like, subscribe for more royal insights, and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.